Hey guys, how's everybody? I'm going to crochet a beanie for a Barbie. This is a reversible beanie. You can flip over if you don't want the flower to show, or you can just leave it like that with the flower on top. And for the brim, you can just fold it this way. This is a reversible one. Okay, this is very easy and very quick to finish. I am going to use a small mini flower. This is 1 inches from this side to the other side of the leaf. Okay, and I am going to use a number 3 sports white yarn and size C 2.75mm crochet hook. Okay guys, if you are ready, let's begin. We are going to make a chain of 5. Make a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join it with slip stitch at the back ridge of the beginning chain. So this is the beginning chain. At the back ridge, we're going to join it with slip stitch there to form a ring. Okay, and we are going to make a chain 1, and into the ring we are going to make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now join it with slip stitch into the beginning single and make a chain 2, and into the next single we are going to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2 and single crochet into the next, chain 2, 5 double crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2 and single crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, 5 double crochet into the next, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, single crochet into the next, chain 2 and 5 double crochet into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, single crochet into the next again, chain 2 and 5 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chain 2. Now we have 2, 4, 5 petals. We are going to join it with slip stitch at the bottom of the beginning chain 2. Okay, and make a chain 3, and into the back loop of the next single we're going to skip this petal, then the single in between these 2 petals. At the back loop we're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay guys, and make a chain 3 and single crochet at the back loop of the next single, and chain 3, single crochet at the back loop of the next single again, chain 3, single into the back loop of the next single, chain 3, and join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain of the first chain 3. Slip stitch there. Okay, this is how the back look like. We have 2, 4, 5. We have 5 chain 3 spaces. So slip stitch into the first chain 3 space, make a chain 3, and we are going to make 4 more double crochet. This is the first double crochet. Okay, so make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain 3 space make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 5 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 double crochet into the next chain 3 space again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 5 double crochet into the last chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Okay, and make a chain 3 and turn your work and make 1 double crochet in each stitches around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have 25 including the beginning chain 3. Now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3 and make a chain 3 and turn your work and make 1 double crochet in each stitches around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each stitches around, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my round, and now join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3 and make a chain 3 and turn and make 1 double crochet in each stitches around. Go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each stitches around, and when you finish this round, you are going to repeat this last round 2 more times, and don't forget to turn each round. Don't forget to turn your work in each round, okay? So go ahead, finish this round, and when you finish it, repeat it 2 more times, and I will meet you for the brim. Okay guys, I finished my round, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 rounds of the double crochet, and now we are going to make a chain 3, and we don't need to turn our work this time, okay? And make a slip stitch into the second chain and make a chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain, chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain chain 3, slip stitch into the next chain, chain 3, repeat this around. Go ahead and finish your round, and I will show you how to do the joining. Okay, I did my last chain 3, and now we are going to slip stitch at the bottom of the beginning chain 3. And we can cut the yarn here. This is how the beanie look like. For the flower, you have two options of joining. Either if you want, you can sew it with a sewing thread, or if you want, you can use a hot glue gun to just glue it there at the center, okay? Right, guys? And for the brim, you can fold it this way. I have my Barbie here. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, that's how it looks like. And this is how it looks like if the flower is connected. The top will be look like that, and it is a little bit chunky for the Barbie. Okay, now we finish another project, guys, and yeah, I forgot to say, don't forget to trim the tail of your yarn later on. Okay, now this is how it looks like, and thank you for joining me, guys, and see you for the next video.